Good day, everyone, and good day, Miss Basilio. We are the Group 1 and we are the team behind Kinix OS. Let me first introduce the core developers of Kinix OS. Let me call on Mr. John Patrick C. Torres, Keljan D. Velasquez, John Nico Arvivar, and I am Kim Nicaela Tumabini. And today we are honored to present our mock-up for an AI-powered operating system, our final output for ICSC 0113. Before we start with the discussion, let me give you a truly understanding of what Kinix OS is all about. Every day, each of us interacts with technology, whether for academics, communication, entertainment, or just productivity itself. Our computers help us function, but despite years of innovation, they still behave in one predictable way. We always have to wait. They have to wait. And because of this, we spend more time managing the device than doing the actual work that really matters. So this is the observation that led us to a simple but powerful question. What if our operating system didn't just respond, but actually really understood us? To understand Kinix OS, we must first understand the issue that it tries to solve. Computers today are incredibly capable of everything. They can analyze data, run heavy software, and process complex tasks. But despite of all of that, they lack one crucial ability that we do really need. They do not understand their user. The problem is simple but impactful. Computers remain tools, not our partners, and this gap in interaction leads to loss of time, reduced efficiency, and unnecessary effort. Therefore, Kinix OS was created as our answer to that gap. In short, what if your operating system wasn't just something that operates you, but something that cooperates with you? That is the core philosophy behind Kinix OS. Kinix OS again is a system built on intelligence, and personalization deserves a brand that reflects its identity. So let's first break down the name. Kinix OS or Kinix operating system. First is key. This represents the personal side of our operating system. It is named after I myself, but beyond that, Key symbolizes the one-on-one AI companion built into the system, your personalized guide, assistant, and digital partner. Second is Nix, derived from the word nexus. Nix refers to the OS as a central hub, the point where everything connects, your apps, your files, your preferences, and your digital behaviors. Together, Kinix OS stands for a personalized nexus, an intelligent, unified system designed around the user, not the other way around. Now that I have discussed this, let me call on Mr. John Patrick Torres to continue the discussion.
Well said, Mr. Mabini. Now let me continue the features. What OS brand can do? These features let you control the system easily by speaking or typing simple commands. Instead of searching through menus, you just tell Kinix OS what you want, and it will do it for you automatically. For example, finding all your trip photos and organizing them into a new folder. Now, let me call Mr. Velasquez to continue.
Thank you, Mr. Torres. Now, welcome to the Phoenix OS, a smarter way to work. Let's explore its core features. First, we have the Smart File. Phoenix OS doesn't just look at the file names, it looks inside your files. It understands your photos, your documents, even your music, so it can sort or organize things intelligently based on what they actually contain, not just what they are called. Second, it's your proactive helper. Phoenix OS learns your habits, the apps you open up in the morning, the music you play at night, and with that, it anticipates your needs. Imagine logging in and your workflow is already set up for you before you even ask. And third, deep search. Just say something like, find that recipe from that last month, and Phoenix OS finds it instantly, whether it's viewed in a chat, a PDF, or hidden in a folder you forgot existed. It's fast, it's accurate, and it works across everything. Now, may I call on Mr. Vivar?
Thank you, Mr. Velasquez. Now we have shown you how smart Kinix is, but what truly separates it is the personal relationship. Kinix is not just a search bar, it's an assistant, a partner, and ultimately, a friend. Our AI is built with personality. It means you can go beyond command line logic. You can ask it to brainstorm ideas for a new marketing plan, summarize a 50-page report into 5 bullet points. Kinix is just designed to be an active, empathetic participant in your digital life. In Kinix, you control everything through one conversation. This is the ultimate simplicity. But theory is nothing without execution. Let's see the central command system in action. So welcome to the Kinix OS desktop. You're going to immediately see the three core principles of our design philosophy made real. Clean, built-in AI, and AI powered. Notice the complete lack of clutter. There is no messy taskbar, no permanent icons. The entire desktop is reserved for your work. We call that the central or the nexus. It is only the first thing you can see, signifying where all the power lives. Now, look at how you interact. You don't open a separate AI app. The built-in AI is available instantly. It's always ready to receive a natural language command, making interaction effortlessly. Finally, the file manager. This is where the AI proven its value. Instead of sorting through by date or file type, The AI sort by content and context. You see folders grouped by project, date, or even image content. This visual sorting is driven by machines, meaning you spend zero time organizing and 100% of your time creating. This is the Phoenix promise. Total control through total simplicity. Thank you. Now let's look at the implementation plan for getting Phoenix to the market.
Now we're done proposing what is our operating system is to you. Now let's proceed to the question and answer portion. In my understanding of our operating system, the best feature that this has is the deep search because it transforms the way users interact with the digital world and delivers a uniquely powerful experience that stands out from any traditional operating system. While most search tools only scan file names or specific folders, our deep search goes far beyond that limitation. It looks inside documents, image chat, PDF, and even across different apps, understanding the context, keywords, and even the meaning behind what user is trying to find.
The weakest feature of our proposed OS is your friend, the personality or chat feature. Compared to the other features, Smart File, Proactive Helper, Deep Search, and Total Access, which solve practical problems like organizing files, predicting workflows, searching deeply, and connecting devices, your friend is more of an emotional or bonus add-on. Its usefulness depends heavily on user preference, and some may rarely use it. Overall, while it's a fun and innovative idea, your friend contributes the least to productivity and system performance, making it the weakest feature.
Yes, the core concept can succeed. Phoenix addresses the biggest frustration users have today, clutter and complexity. The shift from manually managing files and apps to simply telling the AI, your intent is the future of computing. It's minimalist, AI first design is exactly what made mobile first user expect. However, as of now, succeeding a full OS is nearly impossible. Building a competitive ecosystem from scratch requires a billion of funding and billion of apps. Phoenix would likely succeed only as a revolutionary AI layer or shell installed on top of an existing operating system like Windows or Linux. To deliver the minimalist experience and core features without having to rebuild the entire software world.
If I were to encourage you to give us 100 points, but first, can I speak Tagalog a little bit? Ma'am, mamakawa na po kami sa iyo. Para po sa amin to, binigyan na po namin lahat. But seriously, our group deserves to win because we worked together as a real team. Everyone contributed, helped each other, and made sure no one was left behind. We gave a full effort from beginning to end. We didn't rush. We researched, checked our work, and made sure it was clear and complete. What makes our group stand out is our creativity and organization. We didn't settle for a simple output. We improved the design, made it easy to understand, and added details that made the work more meaningful.
If only I can, I would give all my group mates 100% points because they all deserve it. But I am giving my 100% to Keljan D. Velasquez in this group activity because he consistently demonstrated outstanding performance, his responsibility, and teamwork throughout the entire project.
If I were to give only one groupmate 100 points, it would be John Miko Vivar because he is an excellent editor. He pays close attention to detail, ensures that our work is clear and well organized, and consistently improves the quality of our outputs. His editing skills make a noticeable difference in how professional and polished our project looks, and his contributions have a positive impact on the entire team.
But if I were to give everyone to make 100 points, I would probably give it to John Patrick Torres because he's the one that I saw with the most passion about this OS mockup. He also put a lot of effort into this project. So if anyone deserves it, I would say John Patrick Torres.
If I were to give one groupmate 100 points, I would give it to Kim Micaela Tumabini because she consistently showed dedication and teamwork throughout the project. And she completed her task on time and helped us when we struggled.
And that sums up our presentation in ICSC 0113. Again, we are the team who developed Kinix operating system. We hope to see you again. Thank you so much.
Sabi na po, wala pa po kami nagagawa.